Hello everyone, this is the fw06 engine, Kyosho GXR. We are going to clean the whole engine inside and outside. As we can see here, it took 15 minutes to take this out. Some damaged screw. And it's only one. Done. Now, after we assemble all the parts in the engine, we should clean some of them, maybe all of them, so we can see over here, so we can put it all together. Need some cleans. Side. Then we'll put after run oil. This one here. Put all together the parts. Put all the parts together. Then we will start it up. Now everything cleaned in the engine, inside and the outside. We just waiting for some parts like this one, damaged, and fuel tank. Then we will start it up. And now, after we finish everything, all new parts, clean and nice. Let's see here. We'll test it in the winter because it's too hot in here. I don't like to run nitro engine in summer.